Disclaimer.
I'm the realest one that's repping, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend when they lay me down to rest.
These files are required for the process. Note this will work for Android 14 ROM only. Boot your device into fastboot mode by pressing volume down and power button key. After entering fastboot mode, connect your mobile with PC or laptop. After connecting mobile and laptop, extract ADB file. Open the extracted folder and open CMD there. By pressing Shift plus right click on mouse. And type this command to check device is connected or not. As you can see, device is connected. After connection, use the following commands to install the boot and ROM files. After installing all three files, use volume down button to boot into recovery in mobile. After entering in recovery, factory reset the data.
They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me the loyalty. Best to give me the loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me.
After reset data, click on Apply Update from ADB. Now in your laptop, type the following command. And drag and drop the ROM file. After hit enter. ROM installation will begin and wait until you see the reboot option in mobile. Press yes by using volume key and power button. After rebooting again in recovery, boot the system. It takes few minutes for first boot. Please wait few minutes and enjoy the custom ROM.
They'll be calling me royalty.